ESC strap right here, so ribbon cable. Alright, so to get these antennas off, pretty easy. It's a lot harder putting them on than it is taking them off. You want to take a picture or something so you know the order they come off on. But basically from the battery end, it's black, light gray, dark gray, white gray, or white. That's going from the battery toward the front of the drone. Okay, so I got those disconnected. Now I'm going to take out these two little short screws. So they're right there. Okay, there's two of those. Open that. Out. Get it out of the way. Okay, now one more thing. You see this little metal strap right here? You want to bend that up out of the way. And usually when you bend these, I'll give you a tip, you want your bend to be close to the motherboard. You want it to be close to the inside. You want to bend it out there, you want to bend it in close. Because when you go to put it down, back together, it's a lot easier if it's bent like that. Also, when you're doing this is the flight control board right here. On both sides of that, this is professional. It's a little different on the P4. But there's little ribbon cables. And these ribbon cables are about as thick as toilet paper. So you'll throw all kinds of errors if you tear that ribbon cable at all. So just best not to get too involved with this. Just kind of stay away from it. I'll give you a closer look when I get this thing apart. Okay, so now I've got the straps bent up. I've got two screws out of there. I got all the motor mount screws out. Still got some locks in the end of the deal that I got to get rid of, but you can see that this is already separating a little bit right here at the end. Alright, so now we're just going to take out, there's 8 screws here, 2 per leg, one there, one there. Alright. You don't have to take the gear legs off, but got to get these all loose. If you have any that don't come right out, like I have one in this hole that didn't want to just come straight out, use the Allen wrench to get them out. I don't know what it is with these, but Sometimes the Allen wrench fits just a little bit better. Sometimes the Torx works better. I like using the Torx whenever I can because it's a nice swivel. I'm gonna work with that one. And I could just be that my Torx is getting worn out. Alright, a couple more to go here. And then we'll split this thing. There's a total of 22 screws. There's 12 in the motors and these 8, and you see right there. Excuse me. And that's all the screws. So, last one. Okay, so now they're done. So you're just going to go to the end of each one. We're going to start at this end right here because it's already loose. We're just going to pull this apart a little bit, just like that. You see it's already snapped open a little bit. I'm just going to shove something in there to keep a little tension on that. Alright, so I made sure I use the rubber part so I'm not all, you know, mangling everything there. So at this end, use your fingernail, just kind of get that started. Same thing here, we're going to pop that one open. And see it's already come apart in the middle. So this one's a piece of cake, actually. But I do still have to get these two little light deals out right here. Let's see if I can do that. Yep, there's one. Yeah, this one's out, but there we go. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing over here. So we're going to start at the end. Use the old fingernails. It's not that hard to spread. Get a little tension on that, shove something through there, just like that. See what I got going here? Now sometimes this won't want to release right here or right here in the middle, but I'll show you how to deal with that. Yeah, okay. So this one is out all the way around except for right here. So all you want to do is grab that like that. I put my fingers underneath that and push. Alright, if that don't work, push on that side. Sometimes you got to get a little aggressive with it, but don't worry, you're not going to break it.